So here we are at DMC 2011, and I'm with Jeremy of ScadaWare. And Jeremy, can you talk a little bit about yourself and ScadaWare?
Yeah, my name is Jeremy D. I'm sales manager for ScadaWare, work in our Status Watch division. And basically what we do with our Status Watches, we help manufacturing facilities add typically millions of dollars to their bottom line by monitoring their production processes. We monitor machines as well as assembly stations. We do manual data entry. One of the things we do with machine monitoring is capture data via MT Connect where possible. It makes the integration and implementation of our solution much easier when the machine is capable of providing MT Connect data. And it allows the customer to then see what's going on with the process and find bottlenecks and the constraints in the process that allows them to then go about addressing process improvement, becoming more efficient. We also do things with our software. It's customizable, so that they can set up reports to view the data in any format that they want to see it in, based on time frames that they want to see it in, as well as different machine types. We also do notifications, so that when a machine or a process goes into a certain state, the customer can be alerted via email or text message, so it allows them to respond and address the issue and get the process back up and functioning again, so that they are receiving value from their equipment and their processes.
Great. And when you meet with new customers, can you just take us through sort of a high level on what's typically involved? You know, the first time you meet with someone till you're deploying ScadaWare?
Certainly. Well, typically what we do is we want to find out what the customer's needs are. We want to find out what their challenges are on their processes and help them figure out. Once we know where they believe their constraint systems are, constraint cells are, we work with them then to go about addressing how we can get data from those constraint cells to allow them to look for process improvement approaches. Really the biggest thing when we're talking with especially machine manufacturing or machine facilities is how do we get the data from the machines. There's multiple ways to do it, but MT Connect is by far one of the easiest ways to get data as far as what the machine's doing. We could do it other ways, but those are typically a bit more challenging and a bit more cumbersome to get the data. But basically what we do is we want to find out what the customer, their ultimate goals are. And most customers, when we talk to them about process monitoring, they want to know what's going on the shop floor and then how to go about looking for process improvements. So once we do that, we then start looking at the machines themselves, or the cells themselves, see what type of equipment is there and how we can get the data. Once we figure that piece out, then we start talking about some manual data entry if the customer's interested in a lot of finite detail as far as what's going on when the machine is down. They can have manual data entry via PC or via our status light and-on to allow them just to capture additional information on their processes. And then from there, it's we can do a demonstration, show them how it works, and then we'll talk about implementation.
Great. And where can folks learn more about ScadaWare and Status Watch?
They can learn more about going to our website is www.statuswatch.com, or they can give us a call. We're based in Bloomington, Illinois. Our phone number is 309-665-0135, and they can ask to talk to me.
Great. Thanks, Jeremy.
Thank you.